As a premier manufacturer and installer of log home packages, eLoghomes is dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality and most energy-efficient log home kits available. Our team is consistently working to improve designs and integrate new concepts and technologies to further improve our log home packages, and we are proud to announce the release of our most energy-efficient package ever, the Platinum Energy Efficiency Package. While solid log walls are extremely energy efficient, we recognize that many of our customers want, and in many cases need, additional energy efficiency to meet and exceed building codes and to reduce the energy expenses over the life of their home. However, building codes are becoming more stringent, and the demands for renewable and sustainable building materials and practices have become the new residential construction standards. To meet this growing demand, eLoghomes has created and released a brand new log home package which sets us apart from our competitors. eLoghomes Platinum Energy Efficiency Package combines some of the most efficient, innovative, and visually attractive features available on the market today. We have upgraded our standard 6-inch logs to a premium 8-inch thick log. These larger logs, joined together by utilizing our unique 6-point WeatherLink system, greatly increases the thermal mass of the walls and the overall R value of our homes. We've also upgraded our windows and doors to the Andersen A Series, which utilizes a triple-pane technology to further reduce air infiltration and energy loss. But perhaps the most exciting feature of our new package is the addition of structural insulated panels, or SIPs, to our second-story wall and roof systems. But what are SIPs? Structural insulated panels, SIPs, can more efficiently replace the traditional framing and insulation commonly used in the upper levels, gable ends, and roofing of log cabin homes. These integrated panels are constructed of structural OSB surrounding a hard core of expanded polystyrene insulation, providing exceptional energy efficiency as well as environmental safety and comfort in your home. The use of SIPs creates a continuous barrier around the perimeter of the home to control temperature levels and minimize air infiltration. With thermal imaging, SIPs walls and roofing show a continuous thermal barrier. eLoghomes is proud to be an industry leader in energy-efficient log home design, and we look forward to working with you on your energy-efficient dream home. Please call or visit our website to learn about eLoghomes' exclusive Platinum Energy Efficiency Package.